What?
That light.
Wow.
What? Oh, I can't see what.
Oh.
Okay.
You got it.
Oh, thank you.
You open that.
Oh,
You got me? You got me the guidebook. Thanks.
Ooh, I'm gonna do unboxing.
Lift up your box, the outside box.
There it is. The GTX 1060. It weighs like freaking 2 pounds.
LOL. No, back up a little bit, otherwise you're too.
What's that book?
Unboxing. Episode 6. Open.
Oh, okay.
Where it's your release. This is map. Shows you all the map.
She knows it, not me.
And there's Pizza and Jake feathers.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so small. It looks big on the pictures.
That's small.
Yeah, that's small compared to the pictures. Look at it. Here it is. Okay.
Oh, that's what it was.
It turns out I didn't really do a good unboxing of my graphics card because I did it in the living room so my parents can see. But I forgot to mention, this is the box it comes in. Depending on which model you get, it comes in different size, different length box. So if you see mine has LEDs and crap, all depends on which box you get. I forgot to mention, there's a board in here with a disc. Install what's on the disc. Or just go on the internet and hope you don't screw things up. Because I went on the internet, installed the wrong drivers, kind of screwed things up a little bit, but nothing major happened. We were able to fix it very easily. As in, the screen went black, all we had to do is just reset the computer with the reset switch. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to use your graphics card and the software for it. So first, when you boot up your graphics card, this ain't my desktop, it's my second monitor. Usually all your graphics cards will be listed here, depending on how much you can have. You can have up to 7 or whatever, 6 it looks like. Select your graphics card, exactly which one I have. You go to the setting area. This is where you overclock. Or you can just go to advanced. Right now it's on eco mode because I don't want my graphics card running too hot at the moment. If you want, you can have a little monitor set up. And right now it's at 47 degrees. I don't know what this does, but you can type in numbers here and there. And manual, I think you can actually manually set it up depending on what it does, voltage. But I don't want to mess with it too much. I'll just stick with that for now. I think it's at gaming mode. So here's the fans. If you just want easy settings, nothing messing around with, you can go silent. This will give you more silent option. You can go to auto. Like this is like in the middle. Or go to turbo. Or you can go to advanced. You can type in 100% and press apply. And when I do, the fans aren't that loud, so I'm going to have to put the microphone close. So you probably heard the fans ramp up. So that indicates that the fans are running at full speed, or you can run manual settings. So this is why I have manually. I like having my graphics card nice and cool, so I have it very slowly increasing. I don't use Celsius, but I've been looking up, so I kind of understand what Celsius is like. All I know is 42 degrees Celsius is around 107, and 38 degrees Celsius is around 98 degrees Fahrenheit, but you know, there is no Fahrenheit for some reason. I wish they have that option where it changes into Fahrenheit, but you'll learn eventually. And this will tell you all your core clock and stuff. These, and these are stable. The fan speeds go crazy depending on. Right now the fans are not moving at all. They're at 0 RPM. Oh, it looks like they're starting to run now. And the fan stop light LED should turn off any second. Let's go to LEDs. So you can have an SLI configuration to have them. If you have the same graphics card twice, you can have it so they would dual themselves. So I'm actually going to turn on my webcam for. So right now you can watch the LEDs. So this is basically the graphics card. Not a few scratches myself. You know, I pretend on bring them. It should glare a little bit. It's fine. So if you see the software here. On. If you see the software here, you go to effects, you just turn them off completely. LEDs off, but you don't want them off, you want them on. You see that fan stop indicator? Fan stop indicator indicates that the fans aren't spinning. This graphics card has like an eco-friendly, it has a humongous heat sink, and it makes it so the fans won't spin at all. So that's a good feature to have. Okay, got interrupted there. So back to the graphics card, you could have constant, basically, and it's already at brightness is at full, and it's already at RGB. If you see here, it's just going to go through all the colors. Here, I'll adjust it so it doesn't glare. Oh yes, the lens. Let me clean that up for you. Is it not glaring now? It's still glaring, but whatever. So you can get it, you can go to breathing, you can change the speed of it, so I can make it breathe fast, press apply, so you should go fast, you can get it to go super slow. Or you can get it to do flashing, which drives me crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't think anyone liked the flashing, but it's an option for you flashing folks. Dual flashing for both, which is crazy. You got verbal brightness, which I don't know what this does, style based. Oh, this is brightness based on whatever. Let's do temperature. So my GPU is cool. Oh, hold on. And then apply. So right now it's quite cool. So when my graphics card starts cooling down, it shouldn't be that hot, right? Hold on. Oh, you can see it. You can see it changing colors a little bit. Very, very slowly you can see it changing colors. So it's not the best, easiest thing in the world. So it's about the LED. You can do GPU clock speeds, I guess. Oh no, based on how clocked it is. Oh, there it is. The fan LED came back on. I mean, the fans aren't spinning. I don't know how this works very much. Like voltage, I guess. It's gonna stay at orange either way. Utilization. Oh, this is a good one. Oh. Looks like we're not using our GPU that much. GPU. Oh yeah, then you have audio flashing. So based on what you hear, it should. So if I were to, yeah, so that goes with audio. Well, I just like it on constant or breathing. You could change the color of it. But I just like RGB, right? Just click on this right here for RGB, press apply. Press on brightness, and then boom. It just goes through all the colors. So then you got all this crap. You'll learn about it in the future. So yeah, this is the software, the graphics card. It's at -89 because I'm still in eco mode. So if I go to gaming mode, you press apply. Oh yeah, I'm going to turn this off now. Oh no, this gaming mode is really nothing special. It's just that normal clock, and if I click on OC, it should go above. So this is the fan thing. Now remember, you see that fan stop light? When it lights up, means fans aren't spinning at all. But if I turn on the fans, like if I turn them up to like 10% or whatever, the fan stop LED should be off. I mean, it is a little sensitive, so fans should be spinning. Yep, the fans are spinning, but the LED's still on. I think the fans have to go around a certain RPM for the LED to turn off. Hold on. Okay, they're at 20%. The LED should turn off now. Oh, it looks like the LED's still not off. Hold on. I forgot, but there's a certain percentage or speed the fans have to be at. Okay, the LED should turn off now. Yep, the LED's off. I think it's 20 actually. Just click and then the LED should be okay. The LED's still off. I forgot, but oh yeah, and if you want to change the fan speeds, every single time you do, you actually have to click on it and then press apply. Always it won't work. I think that's why it wasn't working. Well, you could manually do it. If you want to add a die, you click. If you want to remove it, you right click. Easy enough. So yeah, this is the software and what you need to know. And the fan shouldn't be spinning. It's at 48 degrees. And yeah, it is spinning. But the fans aren't spinning. It'll have a fan stop on it. And that's actually good that the fans aren't spinning. Just fight video capture. Because this thing is a very energy efficient graphics card, and it has a very bulky heatsink, as you can tell, and it does its job quite well. So that's the reason why the fans don't spin. Plus it does have windforce on the box. It says windforce, and windforce makes it so when the CPU's at idle, the fans won't spin, which can actually be very helpful. I mean, it doesn't use much electricity. Oh, look, the LED came back on. So when the graphics card gets to a certain temperature, the fans won't spin at all. The LED's not that accurate, so if you see the word fan stop lit up, half the times the fans will be off, but it's not that accurate. So yeah, right now the fans are spinning. My fans are spinning right now, and the fan stop LEDs came off for some reason, but I guess it just looks nice. But it's very energy efficient, and it does a very good job of cooling. So that's the reason why the fans won't spin. So if the fans aren't spinning, don't worry about anything. So yeah, this is it for the graphics card. I might do a few benchmarks or reviews on it. But yeah, that's it for my channel. So please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below for any questions, and that'll be it.